This height adjustable table is a dream. Please allow me to demonstrate. This is one of those things that you fall in love with as soon as you finish assembling it, which is not too hard. The steps are pretty easy. You get a box, you open it up, everything that you need is inside the box, including all the tools to assemble this thing except a Phillips screwdriver. There's a lot of parts and might look intimidating, but the instructions are really easy to follow, and this thing is really easy to put together. Everything is very clearly marked, and that makes it so much easier to just follow everything step by step. The manual is very informative and it's written in proper English. First you assemble the left leg and the right leg. There is a crossbar that connects them together. The next step is to measure to make sure that the height is the same on both sides. After that, you assemble the tabletop. You flip the legs on top of it and just drill the screws into it. Once that is done, you just flip it upside down and you're ready to go. The control panel is very easy to understand. It has an arrow up and an arrow down button, a display screen which most likely indicates how many centimeters you are from the ground. Also, you have 3 memory settings. You have 1, 2, and 3 that you could individually set up so the table will stop to a certain height. This can be memorized by pushing the S button and then just touching one of the buttons. So if you have 3 positions you like to keep this table under, then you just memorize them under 1, 2, or 3. Also has a USB charger on the side. So if you need a USB charger on the table, it has a USB charger on the side of this control panel. The motor is extremely quiet. Actually, my house is not quiet enough to be able to show you how quiet this thing is. You could hear the background noises more than the motors working. Designed to handle up to 176 pounds, this thing can handle any kind of a laptop, desktop, printer, whatever you have to throw at it. The sitting position is absolutely amazing. You could stand, so you could save your back. You could sit, if you want to sit on a chair, or you could put it midway. I am a tall guy at 6'2", and it fits me perfectly. But if you're a shorter person, just adjust it to a different setting. In conclusion, this is an amazing table. If I could add something to it, would be maybe a keyboard and a mouse tray. But you could buy those separately, but that shouldn't stop you getting this amazing table. Thanks for watching.